So you actually only need one specific step, this one particular step, to be better at anything that you want to do. Hey, what's going on? This is Jay Sean at How To Reviews, and today I just wanted to say something super quick, hopefully super quick. There's always like how-to videos and stuff like that with technology. Even though I don't want this channel strictly to be just about cameras, this is what I'm gonna talk about at this particular moment. So, alright, so basically what I'm trying to say is, a lot of times you'll see stuff that says how to take better pictures, how to take better video, how to be a better business person, and how to do whatever it is. The best way that you can do it is not by buying cameras, not by buying lenses. It's not, I'm not saying that it can't help. Alright, so no matter how much gear that you got, and I got a whole bunch of gear and just in this one bag, it's not gonna make you a better media person, it's not gonna make you a better, you know, photographer, videographer, it's not gonna make you a better business person. It's not, I'm not saying that it can't help. And then, like I said, it's not just about photography and video. I'm just using that as a reference to, so people can relate on this particular channel, since a lot of technology is on this channel. In my opinion, the best thing that can help you is actually just doing it. Just take pictures. The only way you'll get better at something is by doing it. So you mean to tell me I just watched 2 minutes of your video just for you to tell me that one simple thing? Yeah. But no matter what you do, you just have to put the work in and practice incremental steps at a time, step by step by step. So hopefully that makes sense to you. Hopefully you get what I'm trying to say here. No matter how much someone trains you, even at a regular 9-to-5 job, you could be a waiter or something like that, and just say you've never dealt with people on that level and you never did customer service on that level, and they're training you how to be a server, which is a customer based type of job, where you're in people's faces, you're communicating, you're active and moving and talking, and just say that's not what your normal vibe is, and they're teaching you in the back room how to do it through textbooks and watching videos and all this weird stuff. Now, you can learn stuff by observing and reading, I guess, but certain things you just have to do it. You have to make mistakes in life in order to grow from them. Now, if you keep making the same mistake and you keep dropping the tray over and over and over, you got to make adjustments and get better at it and do different things or have different approaches, just like in cameras, just like in anything that you do. So right now I'm specifically talking about cameras, but this actually applies to anything that you want to do in life. So how do you do something? How do you get better at it? Just do it. Make mistakes. Don't be scared to make mistakes. Keep going, keep growing, and then that's pretty much the advice I have to say. You want to learn how to take better pictures? Take pictures. You want to learn how to take better pictures with models? Start with a child. Start with your wife, your significant other, your boyfriend. Start with a friend, a neighbor. All right, so keep your hand in the air just like that. Hold that pose. Hold that pose. Good, good, good. Just start. All you got to do is start, and you just constantly grow incremental steps. Some people see things on the internet, for example, and think that they can follow a few tutorials and follow a couple things, and they just gonna jump from here all the way to here. Oh, and there's nothing wrong with actually following tutorials, and this is super echoey in here, but there's nothing wrong with actually following guidelines of how to do things, but eventually the only way you're really going to learn is actually doing things on your own. So following a tutorial step by step will help you as far as a stepping stone, but from that point you should eventually start doing things on your own and trying to modify it so it fits you more personally. Because if you're only copying what you just saw, you're not actually learning anything. You're just memorizing certain steps that somebody else has learned, and that's not what you want to get stuck in also. That's the misconception with seeing things on the internet, because then you think everybody can do it, and it's not as easy as you may have thought when you try to do it yourself. So if you haven't figured it out by now, I'm just going to keep reiterating this one specific thing that you need to do to make anything work in your life, and that is basically do it. Keep doing. That's it. Incremental steps to success, to grow. Growth consistently. Consistency. The way you get better with dealing with people is actually dealing with people, conversing with people. You want to be a better business? Then start your business. Do as much research as you can. Look at others for examples, and then you just go out and do it. Make the mistakes and learn from them. And then your goal is going to be to make less mistakes That means you have to have patient thinking and basically think before you do certain things. It doesn't mean just keep going crazy and make the wildest decisions and make mistakes on purpose. It means you have to have some critical thinking before you make your decisions. Like I said, there's not really a tech advice, but it has a lot of tech on this channel, so I kind of wanted to relate this to something like cameras and stuff like that. But in reality, you can take this advice and apply it to anything in your life. So hopefully this was helpful, and if it was, please hit like or subscribe, hit the notification icon to get updates on future videos. And until next time, talk to you later.